Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have a very special recipe for you, and it's a liquid batter which uses only 2 ingredients, and you get these amazing huge wraps with them. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Here we go. Huge wraps, only 2 ingredients, and the batter is liquid. So let's go to my kitchen and let's start cooking. So let's begin. We begin with 1 full medium egg in a mixing bowl and 1 cup of egg whites. You can use the ready-made egg whites in a box or crack them open. Now go in 4 tablespoons of almond flour and you give it all a good mix. And yes, this is what is going to give you a very stable and amazing. It's not like an omelette. Of course, I'm putting a pinch of salt, which is optional because you'll be adding so many of your fillings. Now I've got a really big non-stick pan. So with this, I will get out 3 huge wraps. So I've just lightly brushed it with some ghee. You can put a spray. And now you drop in the mixture, a little bit of it in the center, and roll. So it's nice to take a pan which has an edge. Now, if you get little bits in the corner which are not getting filled in, just add a little more. And this is not like an omelette. When you'll see the texture of it due to the almond flour, it really makes a huge difference and you get a very typical tortilla wrap. Okay, so now I've let it cook on one side for maybe about a minute or so. And now I flipped it on the other side, and the other side's pretty much cooked, but you leave it for about 15-20 seconds. And let me pull it out and show you how beautiful it is. Look at those little brown spots, very typical of a wrap. And here I'm showing you one more. And like I said, these are really big. But if you want to make small little tortillas out of it, then you will get out quite a few with this mixture. Now I flipped it around again to show you that how easy it is to make these wraps. Foolproof completely, perfect always, and really pliable. So here I'm showing you these are the 3 wraps. And it's going to, like I said, if you want to make smaller ones, you probably get out about 6 to 7 to 8. So I use this side, the spotted side on the outside when I'm going to make a wrap. And here's my lovely chicken shawarma made with it. Thanks for watching.